Squawk, a sort of parrot from Timbuctoo, by Roger Hargreaves. Squawk was a sort of parrot, a Timbuctoo parrot.
Who's a pretty boy, then?
He lived in Birdseed Cottage in Timbuctoo. One day, Woof, a sort of dog, was walking past Birdseed Cottage when he heard the most awful noise. Good gracious, he thought, whatever is happening? And he rushed up the path and knocked on the door. The noise stopped and Squawk opened the door. "Oh, thank heavens you're all right," cried Woof. "Oh, of course I be all right, matey," said Squawk. "Why shouldn't I be all right?" "But what was that awful noise?" asked Woof. "Me, matey," said Squawk. "You?" said Woof. "Singing," said Squawk. "Singing?" replied Woof. "Yes," said Squawk. "My goodness me," said Woof. "I thought you were in pain." And he went on his way, grinning. Squawk sat down in the kitchen of Birdseed Cottage and sighed. "Oh dear," he said. The problem was, because he was a bird, well, a sort of bird, he wanted to be able to sing like one. "Oh dear," he sighed again. "I wonder if I will be able to sing like a bird." He tried again. Almost immediately, there was another loud knocking at the door. It was Trumpet. Trumpet was a sort of elephant. The sort of elephant you'd find in Timbuctoo.
I was passing," he explained, "when I heard the noise."
"I be singing, matey," explained Squawk.
"You were what?"
asked Trumpet in amazement. "Singing," replied Squawk. Trumpet looked at him.
"Oh, well, I think," he said, "that if I sang like you did, I'd think very seriously about giving up singing."
"But I be a bird," said Squawk, "and I want to be able to sing like one."
"You need singing lessons,"
said Trumpet.
"Go and see Hoot."
Hoot was a sort of wise old owl. "Ooh, ooh." "Ooh, can't sing, eh?" said Hoot. "I'll soon teach you. Let's start with what I'm best at, shall we?" And he opened his mouth and sang "To-hit-to-hoo" most tunefully. "Now you try," said Hoot. Squawk opened his mouth, took a deep breath, and "Whoa, blimey!" said Hoot. "Try again." "I can't stand it!" cried Hoot, and he rushed inside, shutting the door in Squawk's face. Poor Squawk. He heaved a sigh, a very heavy sigh, and went home. "I'll never be able to sing like a bird," he thought sadly. Poor Squawk, the bird who couldn't sing like one. But this story isn't quite so sad as it sounds, because Squawk did learn how to do something else. He learned how to whistle in tune. "Well done, Squawk. Oh, up me your ship shape and seaworthy, matey. Ha 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 ha!"